Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading, the bonus reading for January 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate the support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Gemini, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy for the bonus reading for January 2021 on your soulmate and twin flame connection. Also, Gemini, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Gemini, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into the channel message here. Okay, so Gemini, on this side will be your energy and on this side will be your person energy here, Gemini. Now let's look at into the sign here. First thing that I'm getting here is that I'm getting a very strong water energy, so Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, and then I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well, so Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Now looking at your energy here, Gemini, I've got the Seven of Pentacles and then I've got the Two of Wands coming up here with the Knight of Wands energy coming up here for you here, Gemini. And the overall energy, I've got the Nine of Pentacles. So I feel like at this point of time you are just you have just made this decision to be single, I would say, just to be with yourself, I would say here, Gemini, like just wanting to focus on you, focus on your finances, basically like just wanting to focus on your life at this point of time here. And the reason I've got for that, because of feeling like almost feeling frustrated, I would say, because of this Seven of Pentacles energy coming up here, like feeling frustrated and impatient, I would say here, coming up from you here, Gemini. Like you're just ready to take off, you just like want things to take off between you and your person, I would say here, but somehow things are just like feeling stuck for you here, Gemini. Like things are just not moving for you at all and you're just like feeling confused, like what is going on, why things are just not moving between me and my person, like what am I supposed to do. And you're just like almost coming up to this particular decision, like screw this, I'm just going to I'm no longer going to be bothered about all of these things anymore. I'm just going to focus on myself and I'm just going to focus on like increasing my working and like getting more money and getting financial stability, I would say here, Gemini. Because with this Knight of Wands energy, I'm also getting that you're just ready to just focus on you. This Knight of Wands energy is someone who like just wants to have fun, like your main focus here, Gemini, is only you and yourself only. So that kind of energy that I'm getting here, definitely not a selfish things, because I feel like you definitely deserve some time, some time for yourself, I would say here. But the thing here is that I've got the Five of Cups coming up for you. So even though you have made this particular decision, deep down you're still feeling regretful and you're still having this like back and forth thinking, I would say here, Gemini. Like, is this even the right decision? Like, should I just do that? Like why do I feel like this guilty energy? Why am I regretting everything here? So like you kind of like back and forth here, like not sure which one that you need to do. So the main thing that I've got for you here, Gemini, is that patience is definitely needed in this situation. I do understand like how long the separation have been between both of you. I do understand how hard this situation and this connection might have been with you here. I definitely do understand everything. But the thing here is that with this Seven of Pentacles energy, as you can see here, the root need to grow first before the tree is growing. So you need to come into that particular mindset, or at least understanding that first. The day that you plant the seed is not the day that you are eating the fruit. And the thing here is that we, of course, like as a human being, we tend to focus on, okay, when is this tree going to grow, when is my tree is going to get big, like we kind of like focusing on that. But the thing here is that we shouldn't just focus on how big and how fast our tree will grow, but we need to focus that how strong the root of our tree will be. So we need to focus on how strong this connection will be when both of you are coming up into this reconciliation, when both of you are coming up into this reunion here, because there is no point into rushing into the union, but later on you're just going to find the triggers and the challenges and then going into separate way again. So even though the separation is definitely hard between both of you, but I feel like this is something needed, so both of you can work on yourself, grounding yourself here, grounding into the faith, grounding within yourself here. So later on, once both of you get into the union, things are going to move smoothly for both of you here, Gemini. So what I would suggest here for you, especially with this Hermit energy, so try to let go of, like, of course I do understand if you just wanting to have fun, wanting to meet people, that's totally fun, 100% fun. You can just definitely go and do that. But I do also feel that you need some time to meditate. You need some time to just focus on yourself as well here, Gemini. Like, meditate and ground yourself, like listen to yourself here, and try to not do things just for the sake of doing it. Like, do things because you want to feel complete and you want to feel happy within yourself here, Gemini. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Oak King, I've got the World Tree coming up here, I've got the Wheel of Fortune, and I've also got the High Priestess coming up for your person here. I do feel like something is coming up to an end in your person life. Something is coming up into the completion in your person life here, Gemini. And it's a good thing here because I've got the Harvest energy. Wow, look at this. I've got the Harvest energy, and I've got two aces coming up for you here, Gemini. The Ace of Wands and the Ace of Cups, talking about a new beginning, like the new energy, I would say here, between both of you, as well as a new beginning when it comes into love. I do feel like your person is almost reaching out to the end of the completion and the end of the karmic contract and karmic situation, whatever karmic situation and karmic contract within their life here, which is what going to bring this harvest season coming up into your person life here. They're about to reap out all the, yeah, they're basically about to report all the justice and report everything from all this karmic situation and from all this karmic contract here, Gemini. Especially with this Wheel of Fortune energy, definitely, as you can see here, the Wheel of Fortune, the World, and the Harvest. So as you can see here, something is coming up to an end, something is coming up to the completion here, which is going to bring the entire shift, which is going to bring like a very huge transformation, a very huge shift that is going to happen in your person life here, and then they're going to come into this harvest season. So like, this is like the 3 stages in their life, or what is going to happen in their life here, moving forward into the month of February, and like moving forward into the spring energy, I would say here, Gemini. Even though at this point of time they might still be thinking, or even though at this point of time they might still little bit of off balance energy, but don't worry, this is just like going to be a temporary thing here. Yes, they are definitely feeling off balance at this point of time, but it's just going to be a temporary, because this off balance energy or this imbalance energy that your person that they are facing at this point of time here is like the signal of the end of a karmic the end of the karmic contract, or the end of the karmic situation in their life, which is actually going to bring this harvest energy coming up into their life here. And the channel message that I've got for your person, I've got childhood trauma, I've also got insecurities coming up here as well. So the reason why all of this separation, and the reason why it's taking some time for both you and your person to come into together here, because your person, and I do feel like for some of you, he is still having a very strong childhood trauma energy. So it's like they need to heal all this childhood trauma first before actually coming up into this harvest season, before actually coming up into this union between both of you here. So this is like what they need to heal, all this childhood trauma and all these insecurities here, and this is what making them as the person they are at this point of time. Like, this is why making them feeling imbalanced within themselves here. So they're feeling imbalanced because of all this childhood trauma, with all this emotional trauma within themselves, and this childhood trauma is what coming up to the end here, Gemini. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.